Okay, here I have a 6 horsepower. As you can see here, Yamaha 6 horsepower. And this is an upgrade version of the Yamaha 6 horsepower. But it won't start. Unbelievable. So this is, as you can see, this forward, neutral, and reverse should be here. You know, but this one is an upgrade version because it has the tiller handle. Yeah, this tiller handle is not that um, not that easy to function, as you can see here. Because it's a long extension. So this is the locking mechanism for the throttle. Okay, so here we go. So when I lock it, it kind of in the way of this thing, so you can't tighten it. So you got to loosen this throttle handle, and then you can see. And then now it's neutral, and then now it's reverse. So the key of this shifting the gears is if it gets stuck, you move the throttle around. See, now that's forward, neutral, and reverse. Okay, so I'm gonna try to start this thing for you. Okay, so I just